In this video, I'll show you how to make Thai dessert named Lao, which is very simple and very easy. First, take bowl, add 2 spoons of chia seeds, soak it in a water for 20 to 30 minutes. Keep it aside. Now grate pears. You can chop it also, or you can add fruit of your choice. Switch on the flame, take a pot, add some tapioca seeds, that is sago in English. Tapioca is already soaked in water for 4 to 5 hours. Now add 2 cups of coconut milk. Mix it well and cook it on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until it is translucent. Now add brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use regular sugar also. Add sugar according to your taste. You can increase or decrease its quantity. Mix this also. Cook tapioca seeds until it is translucent. Now these are becoming translucent. You can switch off the flame and transfer it in a bowl. Then cool it completely. After cooling it, add a pinch of salt. Now add soaked chia seeds. If you don't like chia seed, you can skip this also. Incorporate it well. Add grated pears. You can use melon also. Mix it well. Now I am adding flavored coconut syrup. 1 tablespoon of flavored coconut syrup. Now it's time for plating. Take Lao noodles and put it in a bowl or a serving glass. Put some Lao noodles in a bowl also. Add some boiled corns. Instead of corns, you can use jackfruits also, ripe one. Add some pomegranate seeds. It gives color to our pudding also. You can use as much as tropical food as you can. Now it's time to pour tapioca mixture. Fill your glasses with tapioca and chia seed mixtures. Fill it in bowls also. Now take green apple and cut its wedges. These are for garnishing. Put few wedges on top of your dessert. Add it in glass also. It gives color variations too. Now sprinkle some brown sugar. At this stage, after sprinkling of brown sugar, you can gratinate your pudding too. Sprinkle on fruit as well as your dessert too. Garnish it with some corn. Use some pomegranate seeds for garnish also. some greens are compulsory. So I am using basil for garnish, basil sprigs. You can use mint sprigs too. Our dessert is ready to dig in. You can serve it chilled or serve along with crushed ice. Do let me know how it tastes. Thank you for watching Angel's Kitchen.